Hello, my dear students of class 9. Dear student, I am Rajendra Rai, your biology teacher from LPM Public School, Bhola Bazar, Gorakhpur. My dear students, nowadays you are on the way of the revision of the cell and revision of the some other uh, concern related to the cell, chapter cell. And today I will discuss to all of you about the nucleus. Nucleus and division of the nucleus means I am going to state over here about the nucleus and nuclear division means going into the cell division. Cell division. So dear students, cell division, this is the last topic of the cell and that is the revisional video giving to you. And in cell division, how cell get divided? The division of the chromosomes, suppose this is a chromosome, this is a chromosome on the centromere, this is a chromosome. So when this chromosome get double, suppose this is a chromosome, single chromosome, and when it get double, then there will be the division of chromosomes. The division of number of division of the chromosomes, the number of the chromosomes will increase, then ultimately the cell get divided. Take the example of human cell. If human cell is having 46 number of chromosomes, 46 number of chromosomes in human cell, and when the doubling of the chromosomes takes place, then it will be the 46 into 2 means 92. Then when the 96 means 46 into 2, 46 plus 46, then this cell get divided because every time this 46 has to be maintained. So this cell division that is the significant in the process of the cell division that is significant in the process of growth, repairment of the body as well as the reproduction process. The cell division is of two types, mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis and meiosis. So this is mitosis and meiosis. So mitosis is that is a single phase cell division, while meiosis that get completed into meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Okay, so let us start the division of the cell. In this mitosis, suppose this is a cell. This is a cell, and this mitosis is having 4 phases. So in prophase, this is the first phase, that is the prophase. In prophase, the later prophase, the nuclear membrane get disappear, something like this, and the chromosomes they will be clearly seen. The chromosomes will be clearly seen. Suppose these are the chromosomes. These are the chromosomes. They are clearly seen. The chromosomes are clearly seen in the phase. It means this is the preparatory phase of the cell division. And in second, that is metaphase. What is happening here? See, in metaphase, the this will be the centriole, and centriole produce the spindle fiber. So spindle fiber will be formed in metaphase they will catch these chromosomes. The chromosomes get double. First of all, the chromosomes get double into this, into it. So double chromosomes, double chromosomes, double chromosomes, double chromosomes. So all the chromosomes, they will be at this equator. This is 1 and this is 2. This is 1 and this is 2. And this is next, this is next. This is next, this is next. So what is happening here? The formation of spindle fiber to catch it, to catch these chromosomes, so that these are the spindle fibers, they will catch these. So that in the next phase, that is anaphase, these chromosomes get polarized. These chromosomes get polarized at the poles. 1, 2, 3, 4 means the chromosomes they will be paired, something like this. They will be paired, something like this, and this, and this. Okay, and here, in this, and in this. This, and this one, this will be like this, this will be like this, and this will be like this, this will be like this. And equatorial division takes place. Equator से इसका division हो जाता है. Equatorial division takes place. This is called anaphase. Anaphase. And finally, in the telophase, two cells get formed. Something like this. And here, there is a nucleus. In the nucleus, chromosomes will be seen. In the nucleus. And equatorial division takes place. So, what you are looking here? You are looking here that the 4 chromosomes are there. They get double and they get polarized at the both poles. And equatorial division takes place in telophase, which results and it results the formation of 2 daughter cells. Formation of 2 daughter cells are having the 4 number of the chromosomes. They are having the 4 number of the chromosomes, what they have into the parent cell. So 4 number of the chromosomes are present into the parent cell. That is why these daughter cells are having. The 4 number of the chromosomes. I hope you got it. So this is the prophase. After that, this is the interphase. These cells are formed in the phase that is called interphase. Where synthesis of the cell that takes place. Meiosis means there is a division of again nucleus. So meiosis 1 means if there is a 46 number of chromosomes, then they get divided meiotically. Then the 23 number of chromosomes will be found in each cells. Means they are found in the gamete cells. And how? See this. Meiosis 1. In meiosis 1, this is the cell. This will be the cell. And this will be the cell. Furthermore, see this, what is happening? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is happening here? Spindle fiber will be there, and there will be the equatorial same equatorial division, and they will be catched by the spindle fibers like this, and this, and this. get divide, and further it produce two daughter cells. Two daughter cells are having a nucleus which are having the two number of the chromosomes, one blue and one red. So these are the gamete cells. And this phase is called prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, and telophase 1. Now these cells, they will further undergo the division. And how they will act? Suppose one cell is having two number of chromosomes, so they will have the two number of chromosomes, these two chromosomes, and these chromosomes get double. They get double first. They get double like this in prophase 1. In prophase 2, they get double. Prophase 2, they get double, and in metaphase 2, they will be arranged on the equator. So that they can be cast out. So further, this spindle fiber will catch this. This will catch this. This is metaphase 2. And further, this cell undergoes the division. Something like this, that equatorial division takes place, and at the poles they will be polarized like this, and they will be polarized something like this. So the daughter cells will have, this is called anaphase 2, and the daughter cells will have these daughter cells will have two number of the chromosomes in the nucleus. Suppose this is the nucleus. So this meiosis 2 is for the increasing the cell number. So from one daughter cell, the division of the cell takes place in meiosis 2, that will produce two daughter cells. Okay. So my dear student, this is the whole process of the cell division that you have to learn it. One thing more that I would like to state over here, you have already learned nucleus and chromosomes. So the chromosomes are the genetic material. What is happening here? Suppose this is the chromosomes. This is the chromosome. And this chromosome is made up of DNA. This chromosome is made up of DNA. In DNA, 4 nitrogenous bases are there. They get connected with the hydrogen bond. So these are the A, T, G, C. ATGC. This sequence will be there, and this is the genetic material. So what happens in the cell division? My purpose is here to explain to you about this chromosome and DNA, that actual the cell division takes place in DNA. What is this? The DNA get replicate. This is the original DNA, then it will replicate, then the duplicate DNA will be formed. A duplicate DNA will be formed, and the copy of this genetic sequence will be pasted on this DNA by the RNA. So from one DNA to one another DNA is formed. So the number of DNA will increase in the chromosome. Definitely the chromosomes, it gets split into two parts. 4 part get split into the 8 part, and simultaneously likewise the cell division continues. So the cell division takes place. Dear student, this you are learning in this class 9th. This is class 9th, and here on the board itself, I hope that you are able to learn this whole cell division. Let us have a recap. This mitosis and meiosis is two types of cell division which takes place this mitosis takes place in the body for the growth and repairment of the body, and this is having the 4 phase: prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Prophase is the preparatory phase of the cell division where the number of chromosomes get double. In metaphase, the spindle fiber get generated from the centrioles, and they always try to attract these chromosomes towards the poles. And in anaphase, when the chromosomes get double, the half number of chromosomes will be upper, half will be here, and there will be no alteration of the number of the chromosomes into the daughter cells. The daughter cell will have the 4 number of chromosomes what their parent cell will have. There is no alteration of the chromosomes into daughter cells. So this anaphase is the equatorial cell division where the polarization of the chromosomes towards the pole, and in telophase, fast equatorial division take place, and this result the formation of the daughter cells. Similarly, if these two daughter cells are formed having the 4 number of chromosomes, and the reproductive parts of the animal and plants, they always produce their cells by the meiosis. Meiosis is the half chromosomal division. Like in human, gametes are formed having the 23 number of chromosomes, whether that is the male gamete or female gamete. So the gamete mother cell will divide like this. This 4 number of chromosomes, that is the first phase, that is prophase in meiosis 1. They get attracted towards the poles. There will be no replication of DNA in this phase, meiosis 1. This 4 number of chromosomes get equally divided 2 in both the cells. In prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1, and 2 daughter cells will be formed. They are having the half number of the chromosomes. After that, these half number of the chromosomes having cells, these cells always try to increase their cells. So this is for the growth of the cells. The number of the cells get increased by the meiosis 2, which is in fact the mitosis. In mitosis, these cells undergoes the further replication of the DNA and chromosomal replication will be there, which results the attraction of these chromosomes towards the pole. In metaphase 2, this is the prophase 2, and in anaphase 2, the polarization of these chromosomes are there, which results the formation of 2 further daughter cells from each of the meiosis 1 daughter cells. This is telophase 2. So my dear student, this is all about the cell division. Before that, you have already seen the nucleus, and this is the cell division, and I hope that this chapter is completed of the cell. So cell had already revised, and next video onward you will be able to learn about some important aspects of the chapter 2, that is tissue. My dear students, in this cell, the important things are the prokaryotic, eukaryotic. Prokaryotic, eukaryotic cell, plant cell, animal cell. You have to know the difference in between the plant cell and animal cell. You have to know the difference in between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. You have to know the structural organization of a cell, which are having so many cells organelles, their functions, like plasma membrane, function of the plasma membrane, function of the same thing, that is the cell membrane, as well as the structure and function of the mitochondria, structure and function of the plastid, structure and function of the vacuole, nucleus, chromosomes, etc., etc., etc. are there, and these functions are specified with that particular cell organelles, and which result